What's going on, guys? Welcome to our channel. So today we're going to be working on this 2015 Volkswagen Golf R. Today we're going to be doing something to the engine. So we're going to switch it from the original airbox to an intake. So it sounds really nice, but we want to get a little bit more like deeper sound. So the system that we're working with, the intake is going to be called integrated. Here's the parts that we have. We've got them all laid out. This is what comes in the system. Here's what we paid for it. So the whole setup costs 320 bucks. Right there. And so here it comes with the actual mushroom, whatever you call this. And then you got the pipe. This is I guess the shield. This is where this will sit right here. Really nice design. I mean, look at this. Look at all the details they put into it. Integrated engineering. So yeah, it comes with all these hoses, some clamps over here, all the hardware, and a bunch of stickers. And then on top of that, we're also going to be switching the pedal shifters to these aftermarket metal ones that are really nice. They're like bigger, a lot larger. So we're actually going to start with these. Got the right and the left. So let's get started with these. This should be pretty simple. What it is, it has a pin. We're just gonna use the original OEM pin, pop it out, take out the old ones, and then pop in the new ones. Okay, so these paddle shifters, we got them on Amazon for 32 bucks. We will include the link in the description. Alrighty, so let's get them installed. All right, so here's what the old ones look like. A lot smaller, as you can see. Almost even hard to see them. Like you have to really look into it to see the minus and the plus. With these ones, they're gonna really stick out, show this much. So let me get the proper tools and we'll start working on that.
So let's see, looks like they don't click on the bottom, middle, and the top. It's a little harder up here, but so they are China, so they are a little bit loose. I feel like I can slightly wiggle them, but I mean, that's what I don't want to pay 200 bucks for the real deal, so they still look better than these. I mean, look at this. I mean, it looks way better in the car too. So get what you pay for.
All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off these bolts right here. These are T25s, so all these need to go. This has to pop out. And then all these bolts right here are on T25s as well. And the most challenging part is gonna be that clamp right there that holds this hose down all the way over there. But should be good though. So we'll start with this one. got all the proper lines connected. Here's the intake line right here. It's all connected. 2 clamps here, 1 clamp here, then another one here. And we got this little hose, intake hose. And then we got this coolant line that just routes underneath. The connector, last step is this guy. So here's all the spare parts that can be left when you do this project. It's quite a bit, so you can resell this on eBay. Probably get your money back. All right, guys, so we got the project complete. This took about an hour. Everything's in, it looks really clean. I wouldn't say it's too wobbly, it's really nice. All the plastics that were here, those we're not using. This, at first we thought it was gonna be very wobbly, but it's not bad. It has like this little adhesive foam that kind of holds in place. So it's not bad, everything is in place. Nothing, the pipe is not touching the engine cover. So yeah, we're ready to give it a start. So let's start it, hear what it sounds like. Sounds like an animal. That sounds beautiful. So we're about to take it for a spin. Let's go see what it sounds like on the road.